Hi, my name is Lin Ge. I'm a PhD candidate in the Faculty of Education. This journey toward PhD, I'm grateful for my supervisor, Dr. Brown, and all my committee members. And also, I'm grateful for three of my greatest supporters, my parents and my son. This thesis is focused on the hermeneutic phenomenological inquiry, risk, and the protective factors for China's by children. The rapid industrialization and uneven regional development of China over the past few decades have forced many young and middle-aged people in rural areas to leave their hometown and undertake the manual jobs in urban area. Many of them have become parents. They leave their children behind in rural areas. The fact just casts a widespread Chinese lab children phenomenon. This research just presents the lived experience of Chinese lab children through the lens of resilience theory. The research question on what are internal assets assessed in lab children in coping with the challenges, the barriers they experience. What are the external resources providing lab children with individual and contextual attributes necessary for healthy development? The hermeneutic phenomenological inquiry is employed to identify inner and outer risk factors faced by those children who are in primary school stage and probe the protective factors. This study attempts to explore how this and protective factors can reduce the repercussions of the risk exposure on the Chinese lab children's development. Given the complexity and particularity of these groups of children, pre-interview activities were specifically employed. The findings just play the experience of this group, including the risk factors and protective factors. The findings in the study may potentially serve as viable targets for interventions and socially inclusive education of left-by children in China. Based on the findings, I recommended resilience-based interventions in policies and protective to intervene in the trajectory from the risk exposure to associate negative impact in facilitating a more supportive, inclusive life and educational process for this group.